Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. My name is Angel B and I teach you everything you need to know about China importation. Now, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please can you kindly subscribe so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be among the first to get notified. So for today, I'm going to be teaching us how to buy from 1688 and make payments all by yourself. Okay, with this method, you don't need to use an agent, and with this method you can also become an agent yourself. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome. Now you could either use your 1688 app. Okay, I have a video on how to download that app, all right, on my channel here. You could use the website. So let's use the website because I'm making this video for my students, all right. So I've said the advantage of using the website and then when you're using the app. Okay, so because this is going to be translating automatically, let's use it. So I'm in my Google Chrome. Ensure you use your Google Chrome to log in www.1688. Okay, it's already here. So I will just click on it. Let it appear. So let's give it a little time to load. All right, so we are here. This is 1688. Okay, you see the first thing they asked me to do is to go to the app. So I will just close this pop-up because I don't want to use the app for this video. All right, so now the first thing you need to do is to log in. Okay, so when you this part here, when you click on it, it will direct you to log in. So let's do that. You click here and let it direct us to login so that you could fully access everything here. So this is where we add 1688 account login. Now this when you click on 1688 account login, you put your Taoba number and your password, okay, and then you log in. Then when you are using the mobile Taoba quick login, you just want to use an SMS login. So when you click on that, you put your phone number and then you'll be asked you'll be sent a special code, like a one-time like password code. You input it and then it will log you in. So let me be using my Taoba number. So you could see somehow my Taoba number is kind of safe here. I've used it before. So this is my Taoba number and this is my password. So I will just click on this part, that this dot here. Have you read and have you agreed? So let's click on it. So now I can now click on login. All right, so we'll give it time to load. So it has logged me in. So if you see directing me to the app, so sorry. I have to use the app. Sometimes 1688 works that way. If you don't have the app on your phone, it may direct you to like download it. I already have the app on my phone. Okay, so it directed me, so I have to just use it. But if you don't have the app, you can still be working on the website. All right, and do anything. You can still do exactly what you want to do. But somehow lately 168 encourages its users to use their app more. So this is where we are now. You are not seeing that login again, okay, because it has already logged me in on its own. In fact, what you are seeing here is like my message. This part here is my message in case my supplier sent, or I want to send message to my supplier, blah blah blah, everything. Your high dictionary to translate this for you. So I'm just scrolling through. The truth is I don't want to buy anything, okay, but I will just buy something. Like let me not use the word pretend. I'm going to be doing an illustration with an item. I may not necessarily pay for that item, so not like I have something in mind I want to buy now. I don't know if we get that. So I like this top here. I'm not checking anything, whether it's quality or it's not quality. Okay, I've taught us that, and I think I have a video on that too on my YouTube, so you could check for quality and everything. So I think this top is something they used to wear, like a camisole kind of. You can use it to wear your suit, and just like this suit here, that this pink suit, instead of this white she's wearing, you can wear something like this on it. Let me not explain that too much. That's not why we are here. Okay, so this is the top. All right, so the first thing you will do is to click on this part. You can translate it with your high dictionary. Okay, to know what it's saying. All right, so you click on this orange here, this orange button here. Is it orange or red? Okay, so you click on it, which means to buy now. So you see that it has many colors. It has about 7 colors here. So this is where you make your selection. Okay, if you want pink, for instance, it's already on pink. So if I want pink 2 pieces, I will just click 1 2 here. This part, you see I clicked 1 2. So you can either plus or minus, okay, the number of pieces that you want. So if I click on the minus, it minuses it. So I want to. Now if you want, let's say black, you will click on the black. It has shifted from the pink to the black. Black is showing 0. I want another 2 pieces from the black. If I want yellow, just like that, you make your selection of the things that you want to buy here. I want green, I will click on it. All right, so now that I've done, you also notice that this part here is changing the price. Like the more you buy, the more it increases the price. So there's like an automatic calculation for you. As you are clicking, it is changing, and all that. So this is where you make your selection. So when you're done, you click on the long orange button. So right now I'm buying this. So you click on the long orange button here, and then what it will ask you is to put your address. Already I have an address here already, but I'm not using it out so that I can teach us how to put our address. So you click on this part, but for you as a new user, this place will be empty. To just ask you to put your address. So you click on this small part, but as an old user, so I'll just click on that small part here. So I'll click on the small part and then look at all the addresses that I've used. Okay, so if I have any of these, if I need to use any of these address again, I'll just click on any of them, but I'm not doing that. So you click on this lighter orange, which means there are 2 shades of orange here, the light one and the dark one. So I'm using the light one. The light one means to put new address. Then the dark one is like temporary address. I think maybe we can try to see if we can translate it. Okay, so this one says use temporary address and this one says new delivery address. Okay, so I actually made a mistake. So this new delivery address is what we are going to be using. If you use that temporary address, after you put that address, it will not appear on this your address part again. Okay, so if you need to make reference to it, maybe you need to use it another time, you need to keep putting new address like that. So let's use the darker one, which is put new address. Okay, so now when you get to this point, what you need is the address of the shipping company. We have different shipping companies you could use. All right, so they will give you their address. Their address in China. That's what you're going to be putting here. So I have mine already. I've copied it, so I will just bring it and paste here the one my shipping company gave me. Most likely 100% of the time, or let me just say 99% of the time, your shipping company gives you the address in Chinese. Okay, so let me just paste my own here. So this is the address of my shipping company, all right, that they gave me. But this is looking abstract because I don't know. I'm assuming I don't know what it is. So you may need to use your Google Translate to translate it from Chinese to English. It will help you when you're filling in the address. Okay, so let's go to our Google Translate to translate this address. So yeah, I'm in my Google, so I'm just going to do Google Translate. Okay, it has appeared, so it's translating. It's going to detect the language for me and translate it to English. Okay, so this is it. Consigning name, which is my name and my phone number. Consigning number, blah 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 blah. So this is everything that I have here in the address. So I'll be going back to 1688 where we were writing our address. So the first thing here, let's translate it now. This is supposed to be for your name. All right, so this is name. So the name you are using is the name as it is written in your shipping company gave it to you, because some of them have they have your name when you want to register with them now, you give them your name. So the name you gave them. So this is the name I gave to my shipping company, right? So this is it here, this consignee name. Okay, so I'll just copy it out. Let's just copy it because this is a space for your name. And then I will paste it here. Fine. The next one I think is phone number. Yes, this is cell phone number. Now, you don't put your phone number here. If you look at the name, this particular shipping company gave me a code, my surname is Ogbonna, and then my phone number. So this is how they want my name to appear, so that when my goods get to their warehouse, it will not get missing. Okay, so they need this code here, 19475 is my special code attached to them. So I will always tell my supplier, write this code. So when you see the name, all right, so my name on for them, this is how my name is. It doesn't matter if my name is Angel B or whatever my name is. This is my name with the shipping company, and that is what I'm going to put here, plus my phone number. Now, this place you are supposed to put phone number. You don't put your phone number, okay? You put the address, the phone number of the shipping company you're using. In this case, this is it here. This one that started with 10180. So I will just copy it and then put it here. Okay, so the next thing, let's translate. The next thing we are going to fill is a postcode. For this is your postcode here. This one that has 1551000, that's a postcode. If you check the translation, you also see it, but kind of used to it. So let me just write it, 1000. Now this is the address in proper. Okay, where you have to put the area. Remember that China is divided into provinces. Province, we have districts and all that. So just like Nigeria is divided into states. Okay, so the province where this particular shipping company is, let's go and look for it, so that when we see it here, we will know. In my Google Translate. Okay, so this is the one I translated to English for me. This thing is in, you can see it here, there's Ganzwa here. This is the where it is. The province is in Gondon, but it's not written here. I don't know why, but I know that I've used this company over and over. It's in Gondon, but it's not showing in this particular one. This is like your C address and they didn't put it. Okay, so let's go back and look for Gondon in the address we are filling. Sorry. Okay, so we'll click on that part. So it does an automatic it just brings out all the provinces in China for you. Okay, so let's look for the one we are looking for. We are looking for Gondon. So these are all the provinces in China. So you could see, this is not Gondon, this is Shandong province. This is He, this is whatever. So this is Gondon. Look at it. So I'm going to click on that one. All right. So now the district that it is Gongsuan, the one we saw first. This is the first one. This is the city. This is the city that it is, Gongsuan city. Okay. So when you go down, you'll be seeing many cities under that province. So this is the one we are looking for. So the next one I think is this is the district now. So let's check out the district. This one I think is in this particular address is in Bayou district. This is it. Bayou district. Okay, this is Bayou district. So let's go back here. So this is Liwan district. No, we are looking for Bayou district. This is not it. This is not it. Now this is Bayou district. So we'll just click on it. Okay, and then the street we are looking for is Yellowstone Street. Yellowstone Street. Like I said, I already have this thing on my head because I've been using it for a while now. So this is Yellowstone Street. Okay, so you just click on it, and then when you are done, you click on this long orange button, which means okay. Now ordinarily, this part is where you put your address in full. okay, exactly the way it is given to you by your shipping company. So this part now that you are supposed to write a note, so this is where you put your address in full. So I will just copy out the address as the shipping company gave me and I will put it here. Okay, so let's go. I've copied it out and I paste it here. Let's do that again. Why is it not pasting? Okay, let me try and paste it again. Okay. Okay, let me try and paste it again. I've copied it again. So let's see if I can paste it. Okay, so this is the address exactly how it is written for me. Okay, how the shipping company gave me. This is where you have an opportunity to write it in full. Now there's another thing that you are supposed to do here, which is telling the supplier to write your name on the parcel, like to write it on the outer box of your parcel. Now why this is important is because these shipping companies, they receive goods every day, but how do they differentiate your goods is by your name, the name that they know. And the name that this shipping company know is my name. This is my name here, which is 19, this is my code 19475 Ogbonna, and then my phone number. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving a note for the supplier and tell the supplier, please write my name on the package. Okay, like when you receive a package, now the place they are supposed to write like your weighby details, so they'll write it at the outer parcel, like the outer carton. Now if they don't do this, your goods may get missing. So this is very very important. I do this 2 times. I ask them to write the name twice. I leave an instruction for them to write it twice so that they will not do mistake. Sometimes I can even go as high and go further by going to their inbox to tell them, please write my name on the parcel so that the goods does not get missing. All right, so let's go to our Google Translate to translate. All right, so this is our Google Translate. So I want to write, and remember, you're not writing anything in English, you're writing it in Chinese. That's why we need the Google Translate. Sorry. Please write my name, my name. Okay, my high dictionary just, okay, please write my name on the parcel. My day is not spelled correctly. On the parcel. Okay, let me just write note, like a note. Please write my name on the parcel. So I'm going to be changing this English to Chinese. Okay, so that Google, okay, so that Google will do the translation for me. So let me copy it out, and then let's go back to where we're writing our address. So now I will put that note here. All right, I'll put that note here. This is disturbing me. Okay, so I've put the note here, and then I will click on this orange long button here. That means I'm done. Okay, and then it has automatically changed. So you see what we have here now is the address we just put here. This is the address we just put. Na. Okay, so this is how to basically write your address and make purchase on 1688. Now you come over to this point. This place here, this side means, do you have any notes for the supplier? Do you have any notes for the supplier? Yes, this is why I told you I do write my own 2 times. I'll still come back and put that note again. Please write my name on the address. So I will still paste it here. So that's the note I have for the supplier. Okay, so we are all done here. So you will now click on this product we are buying, this shirt, this one. I think we selected about 10 pieces. It's giving us 378. Okay, and the supplier was kind enough to give a discount, which is 1 yuan discount. Now the local weighby fee is supposed to be added there, but this one is showing 0. Can you see? This one is showing 0. This is the weighby fee. If you translate it, you see like your local shipping. Let's try and translate it so we'll see. That's like the local shipping. let it load. They wrote it freight. You call it shipping or whatever, local shipping. This is showing zero. That means this supplier is not charging for local shipping. So like I told us in class, this is everything you pay in here will appear here. So if there's local shipping on this product, it will appear here. But for this supplier, he's doing free shipping. Not just free shipping, he's also giving me 1 yuan as like a customer discount, maybe first time customer discount. So when I'm done, I'm going to click on this part, which means to buy. And then once I click on it, it will direct me to my Alipay. Yes, where I'm supposed to put my payment password. I think I have up to 300 in this account. Okay, so when I put that password, they will just deduct the money. So yes, it brought me here again. I will click on this part again. So you could see this is a Alipay logo. All right, so I taught you how to do all those ones. Now how to, your Alipay to be bounded to your 1688. So you just click on this part and it will tell you to put your payment password. Once I put my payment password, yakari, it has gone. Okay, so if I click on this part here again, you see, once I just put that payment password, they will just tick it good for me. That means you have bought. So this is where we come to the end of our video. If you have any question, you could drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.